Hello, students. Very good evening to you. Now, today we are going to discuss banking chapter from ICSE. Okay, 10th standard. We are going to discuss banking chapter, just the basics of banking, because one question is surely to come in the exams, in your terminal exams also, and in your board exams also. So be careful how we proceed with the banking. Just the basics I am going to give you, so that if you listen to these basics anytime, so then you'll be able to grasp the topic. Okay, so what it is, first of all, see, we are discussing here an RD. We are going to discuss RD account here. RD account means the recurring deposit account. Recurring, as the word suggests, recurring means reoccurring. The account which reoccurs again and again. Okay. So now suppose in the RD account, I decide to deposit 500 rupees for 12 months. For 12 months, I deposit 500 rupees with the bank. So how much money I deposit? The first step for this, 500 rupees for 12 months I decide to deposit in the bank. So that means 500 rupees for the first month when I deposit, that stays with the bank for 12 months. Then again I deposit 500 rupees with the bank. It stays for 11 months with the bank. Then 500 again, it stays for 10 months, and so on till the last installment which I pay, that stays with the bank for 1 month. Correct? So that means this is the amount I am depositing with the bank. Sorry. Now, first of all, you should know the formula of sum of n natural numbers. Sum of n natural numbers, like we have 5 natural numbers. What is the sum of these 5 natural numbers? 15. How do I get 5 into 6 by 2? That is, I have 5 natural numbers, then n plus 1 by 2. This is the formula for sum of n natural numbers. Okay, that is n into n plus 1 by 2. Suppose I have to add up first 10 natural numbers. So that is 10 into 11, a number greater than 1, n plus 1 by 2. So 10 natural numbers I have to add up. So 10 into 11 by 2, that is 55. Sum of first 10 natural numbers, when you add, you get 55, the answer. Okay. Now, similarly, when we are depositing this 12, 11, 10, so on, that means 500 is deposited for 12 months. So sum of these 12 months, the principal will be installment into n plus 1 by 2. The installment, that is 500, into 12 number of months into 13 over 2. So principal for our this question will be 500 into 12 into 13 by 2. This will be the principal. Now, when a question of banking comes, how you have to proceed for every question, whether installment is missing, whether rate is missing, whatever is the question. So, first we calculate, the first step is we calculate money deposited with the bank. Now see, 500 rupees I am depositing for 12 months. So how much money I deposit with the bank? I deposit 500 for 12 months. So that means I deposit 6,000 rupees with the bank. This is my principal amount which I deposit with the bank. Now the second step is we calculate the simple interest. How to find the simple interest? Simple interest formula is The same, principal into rate into time upon 100. Now principal, you have to take this one. This you have to take the principal, that is installment into n plus 1 by 2 into rate supposes 10%, and remember time always we take as 1 by 12, okay, upon 100. Time in banking questions always 1 by 12. Note it, put a star there. That time always 1 by 12, this you have to remember. Okay. So 12 and 12 cancels. 2 zeros cancels with this. 2 with 5. So simple interest I get 25 into 13. So let's calculate what is 25 into 13. 325 rupees is the simple interest. So what will be the maturity value, or how much amount I am going to get? The amount which I deposited with the bank plus 325 the interest the bank will give. So I'll get 6325 rupees the maturity value. So this is how we proceed with banking. Just the simple questions. If we have to find the maturity value, the first step we do is money deposited. How much I deposit with the bank. This is the simple interest, how much the bank gives us, and then the total amount which we will get on maturity value, that is on adding these two. Is that clear, children? So this video I am just giving you a general briefing of the topic banking, right? So in the next video we'll do the questions regarding this, in which we have to find installment and the rate and so on, time. Okay. So thank you, children. Thank you so much. Thank you.